said dip.
What's up, random fam? How you doing? So it's a nice day outside. Me and Kayla are about to take a nice little walk to a store that's close by because we don't want to be cooped up in the house all day.
Yeah.
So if it's nice out in your area, make sure you get out. Be active with your kids. Get them involved and you be involved as well. Yeah. Productivity. Let's get it. What you need else for?
I want to be like Cardi B.
No.
It's getting more expensive to maintain us women.
You don't need no nails. I got a whole box at home, but we can't always do it. What's that? Nail
That's a nail
buffer.
polish.
Did you find makeup?
When this gets earlier, she's doing this.
No eyelashes.
It's fitting. I want to do it.
Like that's perfect for your slime.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I could do
Scrape it. So our nice weather was kind of short-lived.
I'm here at Barry Island Beach and there's no signs of stop.
Because we have to run in this. Look at that. Oh my God. Storming. No. Top of the morning to ya. You. Stretch. Oh. I smell my coffee. I wanna get up. I don't. But let's get it. Happy Sunday.
That was my field trip.
Where you going?
Enchanted Castle.
School is almost out for her.
There's 8 more days.
8 more days of school? And then that means 9 more days to your birthday. Playing little football, you know? Oh! Got that on camera. That almost hit my face. Oh my God. Warn me next time. Football teams, you know? Oh. I suck playing soccer. Let's go. Ooh. 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 Oh, what you guys doing in there? I'm making ground chicken taco rice bowls. See you guys in a bit. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. I had to stop myself from ordering takeout because, you know, it's easy to go on that Uber Eats app or Dasher app and get your lunch ordered to your house. So I was like, let me stop that. Today I'm cooking myself lunch. A while back while I was dieting, I like to make rice bowls with ground beef or ground turkey. So that's like my go-to. So today it's gonna be ground chicken. Got my rice cooking and the aroma. Got the taco seasoning, and I got my ground chicken. So I will show you guys the finished product. It's not gonna be no recipe, cook with me type of video. I love rice bowls. It's chipotle salt. That's all I want to eat now. Oh, look. I love cooking the ground chicken so it's like a little bit brown, like a little, not burnt, but you know, so good. Rice is done. Let's check it out. Woo! Woo! And normally when I cut down, I will usually get the McCormick, they make a McCormick taco seasoning low sodium. And then you get your ground turkey, lean ground beef. It's good when you're trying to like change up your dish when you're cutting down or on a diet. I like everything in a bowl. It makes it just easier. You get your carbs, you get your protein, you get your fiber, all in one bowl. So yeah. Alright, so I got my rice in this bowl. Got it prepped up and ready. My meat's still working. And then whenever you have like taco meat, don't forget to get like the taco cheese. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Y'all see it. And then I'm gonna top it off with this fresh cilantro here. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tune in on the next video.
Yes, I did.